Undoubtedly, the rise of digitization is unstoppable. According to predictions, digital marketing is set to experience a compound growth rate of 31% by 2024 and is estimated to surpass a global market value of $190 billion.
This channel is what studying abroad dreams are made of. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
If you are a tech-savvy individual with a genuine interest in the digital world, a career in digital marketing is a perfect path for you. Welcome to the iSchoolConnect channel. My name is Gaurang, and here we provide you with all the necessary information for studying abroad. In today's video, I will be sharing valuable insights on how you can pursue a career in digital marketing. Let's get started. So what exactly is digital marketing? In simple terms, it involves the process of keeping a brand's products and ideas relevant in the eyes of the customers. To sell anything effectively, you need to demonstrate to your audience why they need your product. At times, they may not even realize the need themselves, and it becomes your responsibility to create that need. Now let's touch upon the 9 types of digital marketing. Number 1, email marketing. While there are numerous channels and social media platforms available for marketing your products, email marketing remains one of the most effective techniques. It allows you to not only reach out to your target audience, but also analyze their interactions and behaviors. Number 2, content marketing. Ideal for those who love storytelling, possess strong writing skills, audio-video production skills, and have a strategic and analytical mindset. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable, relevant, and engaging content for the audience, fostering a long-term relationship. Number 3, social media marketing. This type of marketing involves developing and implementing content strategies on social media platforms, as well as managing the company's interaction with the audience. It requires a combination of creative thinking and a data-driven approach. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where you earn more revenue when someone purchases your product through an affiliate link shared on a blog, website, or social media post. It's a cost-effective and low-risk marketing approach that leverages the influence of affiliates to drive sales and expand your business. Number 5, search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is a crucial technique for optimizing your website, pages, and blogs to achieve better visibility and higher organic search rankings on search engines. By improving your website's SEO, you aim to appear among the top search results on platforms like Google, making it more accessible to potential visitors. Number 6, influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with influential individuals or organizations, particularly those who have significant knowledge or a wide social media influence in their respective field. It is a form of social media marketing that leverages the credibility and reach of influencers to promote your brand and products to their audience. Number 7, search engine marketing, SEM. Is a digital marketing tool that focuses on enhancing the visibility of your products primarily through paid advertising in search engine page results, SEPR. It involves strategic placement of ads to reach your target audience effectively. Number 8, social video marketing. Social video marketing caters to an audience that prefers consuming audio and visual content over traditional text and infographics. It is a highly sought-after marketing technique, leveraging the vast reach and engagement potential of social media platforms to promote your brand and products through captivating video content. Number 9, pay-per-click advertising. PPC advertising is an incredibly effective method of driving traffic to your website. Advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked, allowing them to reach a target audience and increase visibility. It is a result-driven approach that can yield significant returns on investment. Digital marketing is thriving in today's world, and has become a key factor in the success of many companies. If you're considering to pursue a degree in this field, top universities like Coventry University, Northern Illinois University, and Berlin School of Business are worth exploring. There are various job opportunities available, such as Digital Marketing Manager, SEO/SEM Specialist, Web Developer, Social Media Marketer, and many more. Establishing a strong social presence has become essential for organizations, making digital marketing a critical field. This video provided just a glimpse into the world of digital marketing. For more detailed information, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iSchoolConnect for more informative content. I'm Gurang, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.